If you're experiencing issues with syncing your Call of Duty account, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, account sync problems can be due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart your game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve temporary syncing issues. Step 3. Verify your account. Log into your Call of Duty account on the official website to ensure your account is active and not experiencing any restrictions. Make sure your account details are correct and up to date. Step 4. Clear cache. For console users, clear the cache by turning off your console and plug it for a few minutes and then restarting it. For PC users, you can clear the game cache through the game launcher settings. Step 5. Relink accounts. If you have linked your Call of Duty account to other platforms like PlayStation or Xbox, try unlinking and then relinking those accounts. This can often resolve sync issues related to account connections. If you follow these steps and still encounter problems, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.